In this video, I'm going to show you how to create poll in WhatsApp. The process is similar for Android and iOS devices. Let's begin. First, open up WhatsApp app. And now you can open up any group chat or any conversation because you can create a poll even in the personal conversation. I'll open up some group. Now, in order to add a poll here on iPhone devices, you have to hit right here at link sign on Android devices. Just find a poll among these options. Now you have to ask a question first. Just type in your question right here at question field. After that, you are able to add an options here. Just hit right there where it says add. And then you can type in any options. I'll just put in 3 options. You can add there as much as you want. And then in that simple way, just by dragging them up or down, you can change the order of that options. Once you're finished with that, you can just hit right here at send link to send the poll to your conversation. And then anyone in that conversation will be able to vote in that poll. You can hit right here at view votes to see who exactly voted for some specific option. After that, you can close it. Let's say you want to delete the poll. In that case, all you have to do is just hold down on that poll. And it brings you that options. Choose whom you want to lead this poll for everyone or not just for me. I'll just pick for everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.